Okay, oh my god, look what we got from our Danish fans. Oh my god. Okay, so I got a Chelsea away shirt. There's that's number 7 Martinez. That's amazing.
I got this one, and it's so cool, though. Thank you so much, guys.
Okay, you're the best, guys. And we got some polo caps, yeah, and one in red and one in black. Oh my god, guys. Okay, and the best thing with this shirt, it's original. It's original. It's like real. Oh my god. Oi, 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 oi.
Ej, filmer du på Snapchat?
Det er på Instagram.
There's not. Gå vist. Okay.
Martino, er du med? Skylder nu. Så. Helt sæt.
Dig igen.
Der igen. Er man
Dig
træt
igen.
efter sådan en gallerpremiere? Eller hvad? Jeg er helt smadret. Du er ikke født i 90'erne, men det er jeg. Og det her, det var fedt engang.